narrowing a huge field of job applicants. In 2001, officials of Antwerpen, Belgium, needed to detect the next generation of managers for the city government. The project they had in mind was a new management track for employees. But the city needed to narrow the field of 400 possible applicants to just a few high potential people. In a short time, they used IWAM tool to eliminate 90% of the field before interviewing a single person. High-performing sales team. A large American manufacturing company was not satisfied with its sales figures, so they hired one of our partners to use an IWAM model of excellence to discover what makes the top performers tick, and to find new salesmen with the same attitudes and motivations. Now sales are ahead of plan by 30%. Return on investment. Numbers can be especially powerful in the field of human resources, where statistics like return on investment can be difficult to measure. This is the case study of one company that used IWAM to help them hire 26 salespeople. Not only did we hire the new sales team, but we also got the numbers for ROI, and they spoke volumes. Win-win with a high-volume client. How do you test more than 1,750 people in a reasonable amount of time, while still keeping costs minimal? Actually, it's easy. Online, scalable tools are built for high-volume clients. Better drivers. Lower costs. A major shipping company had big problems with their drivers, many accidents, late deliveries, and high costs. IWAM got things moving with the model of excellence technology. Since we started using the model to hire new drivers, the company has reduced costs, 50% fewer accidents, even insurance costs have gone down. Identifying talent for a new position. Lincoln Industrial wanted to build a model of excellence for a new position, but there were no employees from which to profile the top performers. Using IWAM we got a benchmark available to identify high potential applicants for the new job. Easy solutions for simple needs. Not every organization will be a high-volume user. Some clients, like ex-European Containers, just want a fast, easy-to-use questionnaire to evaluate job candidates. This is exactly what IWAM provided in this case. Providing light to a cloudy career outlook. The employee was unmotivated, unproductive, and miserable. Just before it was too late, we administered the IWAM, only to find out it was all a matter of management style. The new management strategy changed one man's career. Happy participants make happy clients. The fast food company wanted all of their managers to be like their top performing managers. They used IWAM to build a model of excellence and commit to develop a library of ideal work behaviors. The company was so pleased that in the middle of the project, it ordered the same service for several franchise restaurants. The executives get a few surprises. The senior management worked well in pairs, but 3 or more was a crowd. The president wished for improved teamwork and a better performance from these very talented individuals. Once again, the IWAM tools came to the rescue, and this boardroom no longer feels so crowded. Coaching to improve communication and relationships. A team's business leader was having trouble communicating and managing relationships with and between some of the team members. Using IWAM questionnaire, we've developed a coaching approach. IWAM was able to uncover underlying issues, and the managers found it useful in deepening understanding of something that was generally off the radar screen, and in finding ways to trigger synergies or avoid difficulties in the future. Checking into a better future. An international hotel company was facing several HR challenges. So they used IWAM to save the day. Team building and recruitment are tough issues when there are hundreds of people or more involved, but this hotel found a way to check into a better future. Surviving cultural change. After bringing in a group of new employees, This marketing services company needed help adjusting to the cultural change. Using VSQ, we provided a practical solution: bringing law and order to the Dutch police. It was their job to bring law and order to the streets of Holland, but for the Dutch police force, the problem was the chaos inside the police department. Using VSQ Value Systems Questionnaire to analyze job culture and social interactions, we've solved the case. For more about IWAM, Decoding Excellence and Business Applications, visit www.academianlp.com and jobeq.com or call +40 031 00 50 887. Academia, NLP, Romania. Help, educate and lead to excellence. By Coevolve.